Hello guys, tonight is a very special Sunday Night Lime. We will be celebrating the Professor Reggae Gold Award. So now make sure join at 8 p.m. after the uploads. On Friday, February 28th, our artistic director and dancer Professor Sir Orville Hall received the Reggae Gold Award. His team was there to celebrate this major achievement with him. When we arrived at the venue, we walked the red carpet. Mr. Hall was taken to his special seating area and we were taken to our section. The evening started with an opening number from Dance Theatre Jamaica. After the outstanding opening number, it was time for the presentations.
Educator, sharing his expertise through workshops and lectures and serving as a chief judge on Dancing Dynamite. His commitment to the arts has earned him accolades, including the 2016 Stone Love Award for Best International Male Dancer. Orville Hall's influence transcends the stage. He has nurtured countless dancers and choreographers, ensuring the legacy of Jamaican dancehall endures. His unwavering dedication has solidified his status as a cultural ambassador, inspiring audiences and artists alike. We honor a luminary whose passion...
This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Our director on stage receiving his award. You know, so we have to make nice, right?
Making sure you can get into Heart Trust NSTA or Heart NSTA Trust me. Make a lot of noise for Professor of Dance.
He dedicated his award to his father.
This is for my father. I lost him 3 years ago. The original dancer, that was his nickname. Dance has taken me to 41 countries, teaching, working, being a dancer with artists. And I now have a dancehall course that has 2 accreditation, one from Heart, one from City and Guilds.
That's what's up.
So we can safely tell our children that they can be dance practitioners and it is no longer extracurricular activity.
Yeah.
And you know him have to big up your mother too, right?
Mom, big up my mother, Miss Lauren. She's 90 years old and she's here tonight. Please stand, Miss Lauren. This is very special for me. Thank you so much. Please continue to support the arts, support dance, because you're a major part of the development of the whole culture. Much respect.
So proud of you. Professor of Dance, Orville Hall, so proud of you. Right now, we keep it going because we have more proud.
Then it was start time with the queen of reggae, Miss Marcia Griffiths. After the presentation, he and the First Lady opened the dance floor. She was joined on stage by Romeo and Virgo, and the place turned up louder.
I'm
also receive a Lifetime Achievement Award, and